Welcome to Fun with the Bugs. Wait a second. Whoa, much better, Bugs. Today we have the SGILE Mini RC Racer. Goes on ceilings, goes on walls. We are defying gravity today at Fun with the Bugs. Stick around right after this. So we want to thank SGILE for sending us this mini RC racer. We are super excited to open it up. It goes on ceilings, it goes on walls, it goes on floors. Who knows what else it's gonna drive on? Let's check it out. It looks like it comes in blue and it comes in green.
Like loop-de-loops?
Like loop-de-loops.
Yeah.
As you can see here, it says defies gravity. So it looks like it has like a fan that's gonna hold on to the wall. Super excited to open it up. Let's check it out. Let's see what's in the box. So let's open it up, Bugs. See what we got inside of this package.
Green.
Whoa, that is super cool.
I wish it was blue.
We got the green, Bugs.
Oh no, it's green.
Check it out. The car goes in the controller. It might charge up like that. Cool car. About palm size. Looks super sleek.
Look.
Black and green.
It's right here for you.
Yep, shows you on the box how it
Can I look at this
goes
car?
in the controller. Let's take a look at the controller.
Let me look at this car.
Looks like we have a forward, back, left, right. Car goes in there. Looks like it's gonna charge right in there. Looks like we're gonna throw some batteries in there. So let's charge it up. Check it out. Let's have some fun. So on the back of the car, you have a switch for off, floor, and then wall and ceiling. So if you turn it to wall and ceilings, it will turn your fan on. Another cool feature the car has, it has front working headlights, which is a nice blue fluorescent color, which is really cool. Also on the back, you have working lights, which shows you if you're going left or right. So very cool. Let's give this car a try. Bugs, we are back. What do you think of the mini RC car?
Awesome! Goes on ceilings, the wall, the other wall.
So what he's saying is awesome. It goes on ceilings, it goes on walls, it goes on floors, it goes on heads, on toes, on feet, on nose. We got a little carried away there.
Not the head.
Not the head, not the nose, not the toes. All right, I got it. Ceilings, walls, floors.
Full ceiling!
Ah! Check it out, link in the description below how you can order this car for yourself. We had a ton of fun. We're actually gonna go continue playing with this car as soon as we end this video. Please make sure to give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel if you're not subscribed yet. You will definitely be seeing some awesome videos coming up at Fun with the Bugs. You can just click on the little icon right over here to subscribe nice and easily. And as we always say at Fun with the Bugs,